Okay, this is the MPower Cath Hydro. Very excited about this product. It's currently available on adaptamedical.com. So just get in touch with us and we'll make sure you get a sample. So first of all, in the packaging, it's super easy to open, tears down the side. This is what's in it. You have an antiseptic BZK pad. You have a urine collection bag that is 1,000 cc's or milliliters. It has a handle on it and a slit on the side to drain in if you'd like to do that. The catheter itself is really the key feature. So what we have here is we have a hydrophilic catheter, and it's coated with a very nice thin coating. We have a water sachet right here. It's purified sterile water. And we have a gripping device, a gripping chamber here, and a cap and lubricating stem. So this lubricating stem goes right down the middle, plugs that hole so that when you're having the water rock back and forth, it's not coming out. And a lot of people, when they use this particular one, just want to use a urinal or a urine collection bag, or you have your choice. So here is what we recommend you doing. We put one of the sides of the water sachet has the seam on one side. You have it pointing up. You fold it over on itself like this. You just push together with your hands. Super easy to do. And you squish the rest of the water out and you rock it back and forth. So you're totally coating that catheter with some water. As soon as that water touches it, it activates it and it is super slick. You're gonna really love it. So it's ready to use. So what this does now is that you're able to grasp the gripping device on this side, not here and pull it off, but grab it right here. You just pull it off real easy. It just pulls off like that. You can see that there's some gel in there. What this lubricating stem does is it allows you to paint that introducer tip so that you have completely covered, 100% covered that introducer tip that needs to go into the urethra first to decrease the risk of infection, and then the catheter slides out. Now watch this. Even with my limited dexterity, it is so easy to use. I can just slide that catheter out, and as soon as you're done, and let's remember that would be covered with urine, pulls it right back in. Stays very nice and clean. You can't break the sterile technique because you can't touch the catheter. You can't contaminate it. So it's a very nice, very clean process, super lubricated product. So we think you're going to love this particular product. We have this one, or we have the perfect cath that is just like this with the bag attached. Happy to send you a sample. We can get it at adaptamedical.com. Thank you very much.